All right, so welcome to a brand new module. And I'm going to show you what you will be making by the end of this module. The app that we're going to be building and improving upon throughout this module is a to-do list app. And it's inspired by one of my favorite to-do list apps, which is the Clear app. And what it allows you to do is to create new to-do lists, for example, your travel to-do list. And it shows up as individual colored to-do lists, and you can select one of them to go into that particular list and add new items to it. For example, I don't know, buy apples, buy pears. And you'll see that as you add new items, your to-do list starts taking on this beautiful gradient, going from lighter to darker as you add new items. Now, you will be able to check these items off, but you'll also be able to swipe to delete them. Now, you'll be able to search your to-do list. For example, let's search for something like apple. Hit search, and you see all the to-do list items that contain that word. And the best part of all is that all of this data is saved and persisted locally on the simulator or on your physical iPhone device. So that means that if you go ahead and terminate your app, say if your app got updated, or if your iOS version got updated, or if you bought a new phone, then all of your users' data is persisted on the device with no internet connection required. And if we have a look inside shopping list, we still have all of our items. So that is what we're going to learn all about in this module. And in the process, you're going to learn about all the different ways that you can persist data locally, including user defaults for small bits of data, or things like Codable, where if you want to tap into the Documents folder inside your iPhone and be able to save items there. And you're also going to learn about using core data with a SQLite backend database. And you're going to be creating a relational database of your own to power your to-do list app. And finally, I'm going to show you how you can do everything that you can do with core data by using one of my favorite services, which is called Realm. And by the end of this, you will have created a relational database as a backend, and you're going to learn about how you can code up the front end to make it look as beautiful as we have here. So I hope you're excited, because I'm really excited. So once you're ready, get started over on the next lesson.